Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm planning to just talk about how to use TTS and AI TTS in our app. The first thing that I should talk is about how to use our TTS in desktop. Okay, we have something you need to install something in desktop before using the TTS version. First you need to go to the engine setting. You need to install the Piper plugin first. Okay, so before doing anything, you need to install the Piper plugin desktop, just in desktop, not in the Android. And after you install it, you can use this, use it like this. Just tap on play and it works. Also, you can change the voices. You can download the voices over here, which is have a lot of voices, and voice are very amazing, and the quality is super cool. And as you see, we have lots of voices. And that's it for the native TTS. Also, we have Cooker TTS and Gradle TTS Online, which are both of are amazing. And for that, let me go to the. Do we have it? No, we don't have it. Also, it's same for Android version. Okay. So we need to go to the general TTS manager, engine manager. In Android, also we have Gradle TTS Online. Okay, so if I enable this one, we have something called Coco TTS Reader. Where this is come from? Actually, we have plugins as well, so you can install them. Install from community, from the feature store, install the text speech plugins. Let me just type Gradio. Do we have? Okay. We have some Gradio I have installed. I hope that they weren't broken yet. Not sure. And you can just go ahead and use them if you want. The quality is good. It's at least better than offline version in Android, native version. For that, where you can find this Gradio, let me just show you how to do that. For those who want to implement this themselves and feel it's a little slow for the default version, you need to go to iReader repository. There is something called Hugging Face underline space QE. Okay. If you open that, there is a tutorial how to actually do that in this here. It's not that hard as you think. That's super easy to handle and create your own engine as well. And for those who want to add this default Kokoi version of TTS, we can do that. Because by default, the TTS that we are using are just created by me. So it's when the user are a little more, it may has slowed down a little bit. So you can need to and you need to add them yourself. And the whole tutorial is completely, I think, clear how to use that. You need to go to this side, you need to add your description, choose radio, and let me just think, CPU version, create a space. You need to just CPU and just create your space. After you do that, let me just go my space. After that, you need to copy the files over here. You need to download them and copy them over here. You can just I've done this with my mobile phone. There is something called let's see, new create new file. Okay, you need to add create new file and then just go ahead and copy this file and this file over it. Just copy paste this file, just tap on here and then copy paste it over here. Okay, so that's super easy. You need to go to this file, create new file, and then just paste it over here. Just name your file app.py, just exactly same as this. And this file, the code will be this code from here will go to, just tap on here, it will copy this whole text for you and then paste it over here. And app dot py. Okay, and after that, it after you copied both files, the structure would be something like this. I think just this one. Let me just what it has. Also, you need to. I think you need to add this like this as well. Do we have it over here? I don't know. I have one like this and three. Let's copy it from there. After that, you can actually go to the app, your app. Let me go to my app. Let's see. When your site is built and we have running, okay, we can directly use this in our app. So when you see this text, for example, hi, and I submit this text, you will see it generate a audio for you, and you can play it. It works. It's same. Actually, it has same idea behind the background. Okay, in the logic. And any website that you have in Hugging Face that has Gradio, you can use it directly in the app without any issue. And I'm not sure why I don't see the dock over here. We have also a dock version. Not sure why it's not there. But another thing, you need to change this URL somehow else. So let me see if we have the idea we have. Okay, as you see, we need to change it to this version. So you need to copy paste this one as well. Okay, and change this part to your username in the Hugging Face. Okay, so you need to create copy paste this text. And if I go over here, let me go the TTS engine manager. If I can open this one, as you see, this is the space URL by myself. This is my username, and I think this is my project ID in the Hugging Face, which I written HF as a space. And same as API name for new to be the text to speech. And also you can just directly change this part and just hit save. For example, I hit add more letter, and if I go there, you can see how you are saved for me. So you can directly change this one if you want. And you need to add this one if you want customize Hugging Face. For example, if I go install some feature, let me just go to community to feature store. Let me search for a Hugging Face. No, not this one. Radio Edge. Okay, let me install them. And as I install them, you need to go back to the TTS translation manager. I see that it's need to restart the app. Let me just close the app and reopen the app. I think this the problem is with desktop. I think it's fixed or not. Not sure. Let me restart the app in the. Okay, let's go. But some of this plugin may not work. It's maybe fixed. As you see, we have another one added, not added yet. I'm not sure why it's not adding. By the way, that's it for Hugging Face. You can just go over Hugging Face and search Hugging Face TTS Radio app. If you search the radio, there is a lot of text that we have that supported radio. You can just go over radio app and search for apps that have radio in it. It's not that one. Let me just go. As you see, we also have this one. Okay, so if I add this thing with its API, okay, I need to just create this API to my app. So it's predict which I think is same as my app. It's same as over here, I think. And let me just search. Do we have predict or not? No, we don't have. It's not like that. So you need to customize your thing. API net text to speech. It sounds different, but you need to customize your plugins, and after that you can directly use it in our app. For example, if I text, "Hi, don't call me. Try to read iReader." Let me just hit and submit. It seems that it's not good because I think it's super amazing. TTS it's not allowing me to use that. It's running on zero, so I need to clone this thing as well and just use it in my space, okay? Because it's on the internet, we cannot do that. So I think that's enough for the text to speech feature in our app. Hope you like it well, and thank you for watching. Hope you have a good reading time.